Hi, hello to all my rocking students of class 10 standard. How are you all? Yes, I hope you are absolutely safe at home and doing wonderful with your family members. Isn't it? Yes, students. Due to this pandemic, COVID 19, we all are made to have forced vacation. Amidst this, there are a lot of confusions regarding the next academic year, whether the syllabus is going to reduce or pattern is going to change. To update you with these issues, let me begin the class. Yes, as per the recent notification of CBSE, there are some major as well as minor changes. At first, coming back to English subject, there is a change in some sections of a question paper pattern. And as there is no change in the textbook, the text for class 10th, which is prescribed by CBSE, is First Flight, and supplementary reader for class 10, that is Footprints Without Food. And this year, the additional book, that is workbook for class 10th, is added, Words and Expressions Part 2. And quickly have a look on the pattern, that is of 10 standard, as there are three sections. Section A, reading, having weightage of 20, and section B, writing skills with grammar, having weightage of 30. Section C, literature textbooks and supplementary reading text of 30 marks weightage. And there is no change in the weightage of marks. And let us see what are the further changes. Yes, students, section A, that is reading, comprises of comprehensive reading. There are two sections, two passages in the section A. That is first one, factual passage carrying 8 marks, and discursive passage carrying 12 marks. There is no change in the marks, or there is no change in its factual and discursive. But the change is both the passages are included with MCQ type of questions, right? So there is no change in the marks, but there is change, that is MCQs are included in both the passages. And coming to the section B, grammar and writing, to clear the doubts, there are two parts on your screen. First one is earlier question paper and the present, that is coming year question paper. How will it be? So always, dear students, earlier question number 3 was formal letter on the specific topics like placing the order, enquiry letter, complaint letter, letter to the editor. So this letter writing would carry 8 marks. This is I'm talking about, that is last year question paper of English. And this year, what are the changes? On from this year onwards, question number 3 will be formal letter on any given topic. Underline this, see this. Any given topic means there is no specification as earlier. So topics may be free. There may be any situations given, and the marks weightage you can see here, that is raised for 10 marks. There is change in the marks and change in the letter writing. The format is same, but the specification is not there. So you need to have proper practice. A good preparation can definitely crack this question. Yes. Moving to the next question, dear students. Here, always you have seen fourth question was story writing. The marks weightage was 10. And this year, the major change is story writing is deleted from the 10th standard question paper. Yes, you heard it right, students. It is changed as analytical paragraph. analytical paragraph based on map, charts, reports, line graph. So it may be like picture observation, observing a picture and writing an analysis on it, or it may be on the reports. But one thing is, there is no change in the marks weightage. So I hope is it clear? The big changes, that is formal letters have no specific situation and marks are raised for 10. And instead of story writing, you must analyze the paragraph and write it. Right? Moving to the next thing, that is grammar part. Here also you can see drastic change. So last year, total weightage for grammar was 2, that is 12 marks. Total weightage was 12. But this year, total weightage for grammar is 10. Yes. So, fifth question in the question paper was gap filling, and coming year onwards, it is having options like close passage, gap filling, editing, carrying 4 marks. So here there were no options and here there are options. Right? And question number 6, previous year's question paper, it was editing. And the marks weightage was 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, total 12. But they have reduced it for 10 by giving 4 here, and that is sixth question is changed, like dialogue writing, reporting a dialogue on given clues. So the marks weightage is increased for 6 marks here. And the great news for you all is question number 7. Sentence formation was in previous year question paper, but this year it has been deleted. It is deleted. It is totally deleted from the question paper. I hope it's clear for you, right? Focus your attention and correctly understand the pattern. We need to understand the pattern because as we have to study throughout the year, we must focus on particular topics. So understanding the question paper pattern is highly important. Moving to the next section, that is section number C, section C, literature and extended reading. Here there are no any major changes. One minor change is question number 8 in the previous year question paper was extract based question, and this year also there is extract based question, but only in the question numbers there is change as well as its weightage. 1 out of 2 extracts with 4 objective questions you were answering, that is 1 marks, 4 questions were there, total 4 marks. Marks are kept as it is, but this year you are going to write 2 questions, 2 mark questions of 2, that is 4. Very short answer type of questions carrying 2 marks you will be going to write. So this is the major and minor change for class 10 standard. So this is the detailed question paper pattern. If you want to have a detailed clear lookout of question paper, go to CBSE academic.nic.in website and you will get the detailed information about the pattern. So this is about the pattern of question paper for class 10th English. I hope it is fruitful for you. It will definitely help you, and let's meet in the next class. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay connected to learning. Thank you.